Let's make our own project so that we can start writing code. To make this process as simple as possible, a new project wizard is supplied in LPC Expresso. To start the wizard, expand the Project and File Wizards group in the Quick Start view, and then select MCU Project Wizards. A menu will appear with a list of NXP LPC microcontroller families. We are going to create an LPC 1114 project, so we will select the LPC 1100 project. LPC 1100 family. Now click Create NXP LPC 1100 project. Type in the project name, in this case, Demo, and click Next. This panel gives you the option to select if you would like to use the SEMSYS library or not. SEMSYS is a standard created by ARM to harmonize the chip header files between multiple compiler vendors and microcontroller manufacturers. Generally, it makes sense to always check Use SEMSYS. This checkbox causes the project wizard to add an include search path and a library path which link to the SEMSYS project that we imported earlier. Now select Next. You are given the option to change the name of the source code directory and also to input an author and copyright. Now click Next again. The build targets are displayed. Normally, a debug and a release target will be created. The debug target will be set up with compiler flags preventing automatic code optimization. The release target will enable some optimization, which will save flash memory, but it could make debugging less intuitive. This Select Configuration section of the new Project Wizard also shows an Advanced Settings button. This is where you can set many project-specific settings such as compiler flags and include directories. We will not use this feature right now, but we will be seeing this dialog and making changes later in the tutorial. Click Next, and then select the processor part number. This is necessary because although we selected the chip family when we picked the LPC 1100 wizard, we have not specified the project down to a specific part. A specific part is required so that the tool can create the correct linker script and fit the code into the chip's on-chip RAM and flash. We are using an LPC 1114. There were unreleased variants of the 1114, so we will choose the 1114/301, which is the shipping product. Luckily, this is the default when creating an LPC 1100 project. Click Finish and an empty project will be created. Now build it to make sure that it's okay. Notice that first the SEMSYS library is built, and then it moves on to build the actual demo project. If we check out the Problems view, we will find that there are 0 errors or warnings, which is exactly what we would want. If you explore the wizard created project, you will find that it has no functionality. Inside main.c, we will find nothing more than a while-1 loop that increments a counter. We would like to add our own code to the project.